Hey everybody, how's it going? Today it's time to unboxing and test as well this my brand new Boya microphone. So this is my brand new microphone. And so without further ado, let's get started. Also compatible with a smartphone, tablet, PC or laptop, camera, and camera. This is Boya brand. Here's the specifications. You can read it. So now let's open the box. So here's the inside, empty. Here's the user manual book. Here's the microphone back. It's a PVC, not a real leather. Very nice. This is the Boya microphone. Very nice, grey color. The holder need to buy a connector. For this connector, we have two set of connector. One is like this, another one is like this. So you can choose it. And this one, you can place it on here. Just push it. That's it. And this connector, as you can see, this hole, just push in. That's it. Very simple. So now let's try out this mic. Without a mic, with a mic connector, is there any different? Or let me try hello, and hello. So before I end this video, you can give a feedback for my brand new Boya microphone in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.